Hello everyone, my name is Chris and today I'm going to harvest some tomatoes. So I'm all the way in Illinois, USA, and it's September. It's a nice, lovely September day. It's nice and sunny. So I'm going to harvest some tomatoes. So before I do that, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you like my video. And if you are a subscriber, I would like to say thank you very much. So we're kind of coming towards the end of our growing season. So I still have a few tomatoes left in my garden. So I'm gonna harvest those tomatoes today. Oh, there's a bee coming. Oh gosh, it's a bee. Let me show you what my garden looks like. So that's pretty much my garden. And then I do have some pumpkins which I'm going to harvest maybe tomorrow. Just show you one pumpkin. This is one pumpkin I've got, and I've got another one there. So let's get started. I do have my basket over here. That's where I'm going to put the tomatoes. I don't know if I'm going to need the scissors. I do have a lot of bees. No, you can see there's a lot of this one is hiding there. We still have lots of bees, so let's go and harvest some tomatoes. So this is my tomato patch. It's basically a 4x4. How many tomato plants did I put? I put 1, 2, 3. I think I put 5 tomato plants in here. So it's a little bit crowded. So you can see. And I can see lots of tomatoes. So let's start. So you can see there's a nice big juicy tomato. Oh, it just came off nicely. So I'm gonna put this one in there and we'll continue harvesting tomatoes. There's another one right there. Oh, I need the scissors there. I think it's gonna, when I cut it's gonna fall down. I hope it won't fall down. That's where you need 2 hands. Let's see if I can do it with my this one is a little bit hard. Alright. Oh, it fell down. Let's see, did it get... Oh, it's still looking good. So we'll put it in there. There's my basket right here. And I've got a few down here. Oh, that one has been eaten by... You can see, has been eaten. Let's cut this. We'll leave it down there, and then we'll cut another one right here and right there. So it's good, nice. Okay, so I've got 4 at the moment. Let's see, over here there's another one growing. Ooh, look at this, fellas. This one came off nicely. And I got another one right here. Came off nicely again. So, ooh, look at this big one. Gosh, see how big it is? It's massive. So let's put it in there. Do we have another one here? Okay. Nice and red. Let's put it in there as well. We'll continue. Oh my gosh, this is a big, very big one. Let's see. Oh, where did it? it fell down. See how big it is. Let's put it in there as well. Let's level some more, hiding somewhere. Okay, there's another one. Another one right here. Let's see, gosh, I got lots of tomatoes. Yep. There's another one here. I'm already tired. There's another one right here. Ooh. Can you see, fellas? There is a big tomato right here. Gosh. Look at this giant of a tomato. It's massive. Okay, we'll put it in there. Alright, so there's another tomato right here. Alright. Already filling up. Okay, let's continue. This one is not ripe yet, but do I see anything in there? It is so crowded. I think there is something that's eating my tomatoes. I don't know what it is. You can see. Well, I don't know what that is. Okay, there's a few in here. Okay, there they are. Let's see. Do I have any? Wow, it's a big bush. Can't even see anything right here. Let's see. I can see some red things in there, but wow, how do I get in there? Let's see. Yeah, this cage is already down. Oh, that's been eaten. Oh, come on now, let's see. Oh, see? Somebody's having a great time. I'll leave that in there. So it's like 4 or 5 tomatoes that have been eaten. The cages I've put were not strong enough. You can see this one is like slanting down because the tomatoes are so big, they're just dragging the cage down. So next time I'm gonna put stronger cages. Okay, let's have a look. Oh man, tomatoes everywhere. There's a small little one here. Can you see? That's a nice small little one. You can see a few right there. And you can see even this cage as well is falling down. There's another one right here. See? My basket is slowly filling up, as you can see. Can I see a tomato right there? Oh, this is the one that was being eaten. Okay. Is there anything else? Can you see anything else? It's a big bush. What I see something red right there. Let's see if I can get that one. Okay. Oh, it's been eaten. Oh, I hate it when they just eat a little bit there and they don't finish it. I would just wish they would eat. Now, do I have any more tomatoes? There is one. See, they're playing hide and seek. I think it's right there. Let's have a look. Right here. It's hiding right here. Let's see. Okay, there's one. There's another one. Can I see anything? Any more? Oh, right. There is one right there. I can see. Yep. Right here. Oh, that's been eaten. I think that's it. That's it for the time being. I got quite a sizable chunk of tomatoes and my basket is almost full. So I don't know what I'm gonna make. Maybe I'm gonna make some more tomato sauce because I've made so many jars of tomato sauce. So this is the harvest I have so far, folks. So thank you for watching, and please make sure you like and subscribe to my videos if you're not, to my channels if you're not a subscriber, and thank you for watching.